Three of your sub-publisher accounts got closed in the same hour, not for traffic quality, for cluster signal. The network correlated IP, browser, and payment across, and one flag triggered the cascade. This is how affiliate operations die. Mobile proxies for affiliate marketers cover three problems at once. They unlock the geo and device views that affiliate offers require. They separate operational accounts so the network does not collapse them. And they make click path verification reliable enough to defend against shaving. If you run paid traffic into offers, route in-house leads to networks, or operate as a publisher with multiple accounts, mobile proxies are operational equipment, not a luxury. Three things ahead. Why affiliate work needs mobile proxies specifically. The 4 affiliate workflows that benefit most. And a working Python offer QA pipeline that captures redirect chains and post-back verification. Blue and embody. Why affiliate work needs mobile. The affiliate offers are geo-fenced and device-fenced because the advertiser scopes the offer to the audience that converts. A pay-per-install offer for a SG Raging fintech app only fires when the click lands from a SG mobile IP on an Android or iOS device. From your office laptop on a data center exit, the offer either does not load, redirects to a fallback, or blacklists the click as fraud. Mobile proxies fix that immediately. Route the click through a Singapore mobile IP, set a current iOS or Android UA, and the offer fires the way it fires for a real consumer. 3 downstream things become possible. You can QA the offer end-to-end before you spend traffic on it. You can verify your tracking pixels fire correctly, and you can map the redirect chain to confirm the network is not stuffing extra cookies into the funnel. Affiliate networks routinely close accounts that share IP, browser, or device fingerprint with another account. Clean isolation is 1 mobile proxy session per persona plus a clean device fingerprint per persona. The 4 affiliate workflows. The first is offer QA. Before you spend $1 of paid traffic, walk the funnel. Click through landing page, conversion event, postback. With a mobile proxy, you walk it from the actual consumer surface. The second is creative localization testing. The same offer often runs different creatives by country and device. SG iOS gets 1 landing page. SG Android gets another. MY iOS gets a third. Mobile proxies let you see all variants from 1 workstation. The third is multi-account operations. If you run multiple sub-publisher accounts, each needs its own IP, fingerprint, and behavioral pattern. Mobile proxies plus an anti-detect browser plus discipline give you that isolation. Fourth is shaving detection. If your offer's reported conversion rate suddenly drops, you need to know whether the network changed the caps, the advertiser disabled the offer for your traffic, or the postback URL stopped firing. ClickPath replay through a mobile proxy is the fastest way to triangulate. Both trusty type comparisons for offer QA. Data center is low because the offer often does not fire. Residential is medium. Mobile is high. Both creative variant exposure. Data center is partial. Residential is partial, mobile is full. Residential is medium, mobile is strong because carrier IPs look like consumer subscribers. For postback verification, data center is weak, residential is medium, mobile is strong. For thick continuities or for their marketers to mobile proxies. Networks are conservative. Close accounts on weak signal because the cost of investigating is higher than the cost of closing. Mobile proxy traffic looks like consumer traffic, which keeps the signal clean. Walks an affiliate offer end-to-end through a Singapore mobile proxy, captures the redirect chain, the cookies set at each hop, the final landing page, and writes a defensible record. Run this for each offer before you start spending traffic. The output is a redirect chain that tells you exactly what URLs the network calls, what cookies are set, where the final landing page is. If the chain shows an unexpected hop or cookie, you have a tracking issue to escalate before you waste budget. No multi-account isolation patterns. Multi-account is where most affiliate operators get into trouble. Networks cluster accounts that share signals. 2 accounts share an IP range, a browser fingerprint, a payment method, or even a behavioral pattern. The network detects the cluster and closes all related accounts simultaneously. The discipline that works is 1 persona per account, end to end. Each persona has a unique mobile proxy session ID, a unique anti-detect browser profile, a unique payment method, or at minimum a payment method tied to that persona's name and address, a unique work cadence, and ideally a unique writing style. If you treat the persona as a real human collaborator, the network's clustering model has very little to grab. IJ9's mobile proxy session is the bedrock. With 1 mobile IP per persona, the network sees a Singtel or StarHub subscriber for that persona, which matches what a real publisher would look like. Without that, the cluster gets flagged on the IP signal alone and nothing else matters. Postback URLs are the source of truth for conversion attribution. Your offer fires a postback when a conversion happens, the postback hits your tracker, and your tracker credits the conversion. If the postback fails silently, you don't get credited. One route, the verification pattern. Fire a test conversion through your QA persona, capture the network call from the offer back to your tracker, and confirm the postback parameters match what the offer documentation says they should be. With a mobile proxy, you can fire the test from a real consumer surface. For larger operations, the postback verification runs continuously as a synthetic monitor. If the postback fails, the monitor pages the affiliate manager. When a network challenges your traffic quality, your defense is the operational record. AOR files, redirect chains, postback logs from your QA pipeline, a clean record from a real consumer surface is hard for a network to dismiss. Singapore Mobile Proxy gives you real SG mobile IPs on Singtel, StarHub, and M1 with HTTP and SOCKS 5 instant rotation and clean session token sticky support. 2-hour free trial, no card. Walk one of your live offers through the QA script in this article and you'll likely find at least one issue. Use code YT30 for 30% off your first paid month. One Allow Me Day covers the full toolkit for growth marketers, funnel reproduction, attribution, QA, competitor tracking. Subscribe.